everyone, welcome to Tamil Flick English Voiceover. Today, we are diving into a heartwarming Tamil film, Molly, released in 2007. Molly is a Tamil language romantic drama directed by Radha Mohan. Join us to explore this touching story of love, communication, and personal growth. Let's dive into a world of Molly together. At the start of the movie, you see the hero and his friend Karthik and Vijay. They both work as a musician and are looking for a new home. In the next scene, they visit an apartment where they meet a few peoples. This is a story of those peoples and the wonderful love story of Karthik. The security guard inquires about them and show the unoccupied flats. Karthik and Vijay plan to stay in that room. They arrange their own things in the room and then they go to meet the neighbor Anantha Krishnan, who is the secretary of that apartment. He invites them to discuss their professions. Later, he learns that Karthik and Vijay are bachelors. According to that apartment rules, bachelors are not allowed to stay there. He informs Karthik and Vijay that they need to vacate their room. However, since it was only their first day, Karthik decides to address the matter later and they both leave. Vijay advises Karthik to get married soon, but Karthik says he should see his dream first. Only then he will decide about marriage. Karthik also mentioned that if he sees his dream girl, it can be identified by a few signs such as bulb glowing overhead and the ringing of bells. Vijay teases him, saying that it won't happen in real life. It's just a fantasy. In the next scene, Karthik goes shopping and sees a husband and wife fighting on the roadside. The husband is drunk and beating his wife. Karthik decided to intervene, but before he can go to do so, a girl named Archana, who is the heroine of the movie, steps in and confronts the drunken husband. When Karthik sees her for the first time, he experiences a sign he had described, a bulb glowing over his head and the sound of the bell ringing. He decided that she's her dream girl, but she leaves the place. In the next scene, Karthik explains the incident to Vijay and begins to dream about the girl. Karthik does not even know her name. In the next scene, Karthik and Vijay are drinking beer in the bar and discussing about her. Then they return to the apartment where Vijay vomits in front of the secretary's house. The secretary warns them and says this is what happens when bachelor stays here. He tells them to vacate the house immediately. Karthik requests an extension until he can find another place. The next morning, Vijay does not remember anything from the previous night. Karthik explains what happened and informs Vijay that the secretary has asked to vacate the house. Vijay decided to ask the secretary for forgiveness. Karthik goes to the balcony and sees the girl on the opposite balcony. She lives with her grandma in that apartment. Karthik tries to speak with her to learn her name. But during the conversation, a person who is a professor arrives and starts talking to the Karthik. She leaves that place. The professor's mental condition is not well. He still thinks that it is the year of 1984. In the next scene, Karthik explains that he saw his dream girl in the apartment and decided not to vacate the house. In the following scene, Karthik watches the children playing. Meanwhile, Karthik's dream girl crosses his path and her grandmother follows her. Suddenly, her grandmother falls down and Karthik takes her to the hospital. At the hospital, the nurse asks the girl's name to fill out the form. She requests the nurse using a sign language to give her the form to fill out herself. Karthik shouts at her, asking why she does not answer. She later indicates to sign language that she cannot speak on her. Karthik discovers her name while filling out the form, Archana. The doctor then arrives and says that her grandma is fine. Archana thanks him using sign language. In the next scene, Karthik tells Vijay about the incident. He says that he likes Archana even more than he did when he first saw her. Vijay advises that as a musician, if Karthik's life partner does not understand music, that's acceptable. However, if she doesn't even know what music is, it's another matter. Karthik replies that the music needs to be felt, not heard. He says that music doesn't require language and the same is true for love. He explains that he can love her silence too. Karthik has already gathered details about Archana. She works as a teacher at the school. Karthik mentioned that Archana has a friend named Sheila who works with her at the same school. So, Karthik and Vijay decided to meet Sheila to learn more about Archana. In the next scene, they go to the church church to meet Sheila. Karthik tells her that he wants to marry Archana. Sheila then explains Archana's background. Archana's parents passed away when she was 6 years old, and now her grandma takes care of her. Archana loves painting, sculptures, and has also learned karate and kung fu. Archana generally feels men cannot be trusted, so she does not trust anyone. Karthik says he can give her the love she didn't receive before, and Sheila agrees to help them. In the next scene, Karthik decided to go to jogging every morning because Archana also jogs with her dog. Suddenly, Karthik and Vijay heard some noise outside. The professor is shouting at the secretary. Karthik intervenes and sends him home. Karthik then asks the professor's wife, how did this happen to him? She explained that the professor lost his son in an accident in 1984. The professor did not shed a tear upon hearing the news of his son's death. That event has profound impact on him, and he is still mentally stuck in that year. That morning, Karthik tries to speak with Archana while jogging, but Archana dogs bite him. As a result, Karthik and Vijay go to the hospital for the treatment. In the next scene, Archana and Sheila visit Karthik's apartment to see him. Archana apologizes for her dog using sign language. Archana advises Karthik to take care and they leave. In the next scene, Karthik attempts to learn sign languages from Sheila. While teaching him, Sheila mentioned that her husband died in an accident within a year of their marriage. Karthik shared this with Vijay and both feel sad for her. The following day, Karthik, his friend Archana and her friends all go out together to enjoy their day. The next day in Karthik's birthday, he received blessings from the professor. Then Karthik goes to meet Archana and tells her that it's her birthday. Archana wishes him well and advises him to do something useful. So Karthik visits Archana's school and make a donation. Archana and her students thank him, wish him a happy birthday. Karthik says that it has been an unforgettable birthday for him. Archana takes him to her house. In Archana's room, Karthik sees a painting of a moon and tells her about his grandma. Whenever Karthik misses someone, he looks at the moon and can see their face in it. Archana then gives him a violin made out of a soap. In the next scene, Karthik wants to understand Archana's world, so he plucks her ears with cotton and goes out. Karthik truly enjoys this new experience. The following scene, Vijay and Karthik discuss what it would be like Archana had a voice and how it would sound. Karthik says that whenever he speaks with Archana, he imagines a beautiful voice. Karthik goes to meet Archana. Archana asks him through a sign language why he has come. Karthik tells her that he imagines a voice when he's speaking with her. Archana becomes angry and says that she doesn't have a voice and doesn't need one in her life. Karthik tries to convince her, but she rejects his attempts and she says no longer wants to see him. Archana then leaves. In the next scene, Karthik tries to apologize in various ways. Eventually, Archana accepts his apology and then became friends again. Karthik gives Archana a locket that played music when opened. Vijay asks Archana what music means to her. Archana replied that music is like another language. Archana tries to listen to the music from the locket but cannot hear it. Next scene, they discuss Karthik's dream girl. Karthik described his ideal girl. She should be well educated and brave. If she had these qualities, she would be a beautiful. Archana asks through a sign language if she knows music or singing. Karthik replies that if he find a life partner with these qualities, he would be very happy and that happiness would bring him good music. In the next scene, Archana goes to see Karthik at his home. She asks what's his music. Karthik tells her to place her hand on the speaker and to watch his hand expression carefully. Karthik plays some music and Archana feels the music through his hand expression. Karthik then tells that he wants to marry her. However, Archana slaps him and says her world is different. Karthik tries to convince her, but Archana refuses to hear anything. She tells him that she doesn't want to see him anymore and leave. The next scene, Karthik explains the situation to Vijay and Sheila. Karthik then goes to ask Archana why she doesn't want to marry him. Archana tells him to leave through a sign language and walks away. Later, Sheila explains the reason. Archana fears that her children might also be like her, which is why she doesn't want to marry anyone. Karthik decided not to disturb her anymore. In the next scene, Vijay feels the same sign of falling in love with Sheila and expresses her desire to marry her. He was already discussed with her and her family and they have accepted. Then Archana comes to Sheila's house to congratulate her and bring a gift of the wedding. Sheila tells Archana to gift on the wedding day, but Archana says she doesn't want to attend the wedding day because Karthik will be there as well. Karthik learns the reason. He goes to Archana's house and returns the gift she gave him on his birthday. Karthik tells Archana that fear of herself is the biggest problem. People are affectionate towards her, but she doesn't understand it. She's the only one who has harmed her own life. Karthik says that he doesn't want to be a problem for her. If she trusts herself, she will come to the wedding. He He adds that if her children are like her, he as a father will raise his child with as much love as his own life. He loves her silence as much as he loves his music. But she made him cry. Karthik then leaves the place. Archana begins to reflect on Karthik's words and cries aloud. Wedding day, Vijay and Sheila are waiting for Archana's arrival. Finally, Archana arrives at the wedding. Karthik leaves the venue. Archana searches for him and finds outside the church. She returns the gift to the Karthik and tells him that she saw Karthik's face on the moon while missing him. She agrees to marry him. In the end, Karthik succeeded in his love. Vijay and Sheila also celebrate the good news. The conclusion of the movie is, if people understand the language of the heart, they don't need any other language to show their love. Hope everyone enjoy this voiceover. If you want me to give the voiceover for any movie, just put the movie name and year in the comment. Thanks for hanging out with us and watching the movie Wolly. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Tamil Flix English Voiceover to more cool stuffs. See you all!